In this video, we are going to take a look at two different concepts and how they relate to each other. So the first one is concordancia, and the second is adjective placement. Let's take a look at these two ideas and how they are related in Spanish. So the first thing we have to talk about is what is concordancia? Concordancia means agreement, and in this case, we are referring to adjective agreement and agreeing in both the gender and number of the noun that it is modifying. So you've seen things like la blusa rosada, los zapatos blancos. Those endings on both our noun and our adjective are what concordancia is. So let's take a look at what that means a little bit further. But first, wait, nouns have gender? Yes. In Spanish, all nouns have been assigned a gender, regardless of whether they are inanimate objects or not. And you can thank the Real Academia Española for that one. All nouns are assigned either the masculine or the feminine gender. It doesn't matter what the object is or who uses it, it's assigned a gender. And they're all either singular or plural. We can talk about one of something, or we can talk about more than one. How do we know what gender a noun is? So the easiest way for us to do that is to look at the last letter or the last letters. In this table below, you will see some of the most common endings for words, although that does not mean that there are not exceptions. But the most common, if we're talking about something that's masculine, it's going to most likely end in an O, the letters M-A, or almost any consonant. And then the plural would be O-S, M-A-S, or a consonant and E-S. If I'm talking about something that's feminine, most of the time it's going to end in A. It could end in C-I-O-N or S-I-O-N or the letters D-A-D. And then the plural would be A-S, C-I-O-N-E-S, S-I-O-N-E-S, or D-A-D-E-S. Those are the quickest ways to tell, although, like I said, there are some exceptions that you will just have to remember. Okay, you think you've got it? Let's try a couple of examples. Look at the word gato. Do we think it's going to be masculine or feminine? If you said masculine, you're right. So we would see el gato. The next word is chica. Let's decide, is it masculine or is it feminine? If you said feminine, you're right. So we say la chica. The next one, problema. Look at the ending on this one carefully. Do we think it's going to be masculine or feminine? If you said masculine, you're correct. El problema. Remember that MA is one of those exceptions that it is going to be masculine. My next word is vacación. Take a look at your ending. Is it masculine or is it feminine? If you said feminine, you're right. La vacación. And our last one, agua. Look carefully at this one. This one's here to trick you a little bit. If you said el, you're right. The long story short, we don't want to say la agua, so we're going to say el agua. We don't want to end one word and start the next word with the same letter in Spanish. So we have el agua. All right, you've got that. Awesome. Now, where do the adjectives fit in? So like we already said, adjectives agree in gender and number of the noun that we are talking about. So for example, camisa roja, pantalones azules, suéter negro, gafas de sol rosadas. Wait, what did you notice about where those adjectives went? Let's go back. Camisa roja, pantalones azules, suéter negro, gafas de sol rosadas. If you said that they went after the noun, you are correct. In Spanish, adjectives go after the noun that they're describing, unlike in English, which puts them before. So we would say camisa roja in Spanish, but we would say red shirt in English. So you'll notice that the color, in this case, goes after my noun instead of before. Now you try it. Write the following sentences in Spanish. The blue shoes. The purple scarf. The white bathing suit. The black shorts. and the pink suit. So you give that a try. All right, let's check our work. The blue shoes, los zapatos azules. The purple scarf, la bufanda morada. The white bathing suit, el traje de baño blanco. The black shorts, los pantalones cortos negros. And the pink suit, el traje rosado. How did you do? All right, our last thing is remember, adjectives always agree in gender and number with the noun that they are describing. Once you've mastered that, then you've got this.